everybody. Grant Garcia here, one of the knee and cartilage surgeons. Today we're going to show a video testimonial. This is a more unique surgery called the BEAR surgery, so it's a bridge enhancement. So basically what it is, we take a collagen and we put it in front of the new ACL that's been torn. We repair someone's native ACL, and the idea behind it, with 10 years of research or more, is that the ACL heals. And this is a pretty innovative technique and fairly new over the last year and a half. So this patient really was interested in pursuing this. There's a lot of good clinical data on it, and she was really good with her recovery, and you can see that she's about a year out. She has her ACL saved, it feels excellent. She's gotten back to all the activities she wants to do, and she's really happy. So hopefully you can see this sort of innovative technique we offer here and the results. Thanks.
I tore my ACL skiing, and I had a lot of friends who have torn their ACLs previously, and it looked like a really daunting situation. So I did a lot of research, and I was trying to find some alternatives to the regular ACL reconstruction, and that's when I came across BEAR. And when I looked up who performed BEAR in Washington, there were Dr. Garcia came up, and I just felt, when I came in for the first time, really confident in his skills. He was ready to go, was really excited about the surgery, and I just felt like I was in super good hands from the beginning. Really good, no hiccups. The BEAR procedure is a little different than the ACL reconstruction, so had to get my PT team on board and followed the BEAR protocol as it said exactly, and no issues. I'm super happy I did the BEAR versus the ACL reconstruction. I feel more confident that I have my natural ACL versus a graft, and I've done some PT things with other people who have grafts, and I'm just dealing with issues. I don't have the same issues as they're having, and I feel like I would do it, if I was a candidate, I would do it 100% again.